So today we're making taco pie, one of our household favorites. Preheat the oven to 350 and crush up those chips. Then you're going to brown the ground beef, and while that's browning, you can go ahead and spray your 9x9 pan. Lay out the crescent rolls and flatten them until they're one square at the bottom. You're going to put about a cup of chips at the bottom and then drain your ground beef, add some sour cream, taco seasoning that I forgot to put at the beginning, and then add it into the pan. Next, you're going to top with cheese and the rest of the crushed chips, and then shake them up so they're flat and put them in the oven for 25 minutes. Now, I know you have laundry to do, so go get that done. And now we're back. We're going to take them out of the oven, and I usually cut them into 9 squares. You can add whatever toppings you'd like or eat as is.
That's good.